Hi, this is in front of you OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner and the power key button, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we could see, the fingerprint unlock method works here fast and correct, and with a simple touch on the power key button while I'm not pressing it, or just successfully unlock the device. So I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.